Welcome everybody here to our community of Eskazoni. The land of the trees. If you look around, not much trees here. That's why we call it Eskazoni means Wegistoni. The land of the trees. And all you see is trees around here as far as you can look, as you can see. Anyway, I want to welcome everybody, to all our people who travel from far, and my friends from Ganawagi, Sarah, and that was a Pinoya, Devin, and for those who came far away to join us today at our 20th annual powwow. If you're almost 21, most likely 20 years ago, this is where it happened. 20 years ago. There was nothing but tense hair, and it was a great time. I was looking at some videos this morning on YouTube, the 20th annual powwow, maybe the first annual powwow we had, and the time has flew by, and I'm glad that there's powwows everywhere in the Atlantic. 20 years ago there were none. I'm glad that we have more drummers, more songs, more dancers, and we're starting to grow as Mi'kmaq Nation, and we're growing along with other tribes. A good sign of unity right across our land here in Turtle Island. Again, welcome. Again, welcome to our powwow, and enjoy yourself with all the crafts and all the food. And we're the fireworks guy I was talking to this morning. He's going to come here and he's going to scope out the situation. And hopefully, if he cancels out, we're going to find a date either tomorrow night or next week. And it doesn't matter that maybe later on if we might move to the big top later, but we're just gonna see how things go. I hope. Oh,